The Wesley House, Pittsburgh's First United Methodist Church, and the Community Health Center of Southeast Kansas are working together to expand services to help some of the area's people in need. KOIM Shagun Bamadella has more about how the partnership will work.
A new partnership by the Wesley House, Pittsburgh First United Methodist Church, and the Community Health Center of Southeast Kansas will provide new programs, more staffs, and services to help meet the needs of low-income families in the area.
A lot of times, again, we are providing services at point of time when they need the care and they need the service. This really allows us to go further and expand that conversation of, again, what our community members are seeking for their future and for their family's future.
Gannon says community volunteers play a huge role in their first official joint efforts.
This is all donation based, so again really shows the strength and the helpers that we have in the community to come pick up a box and have everything they need for their family based on household size to enjoy a warm meal at home.
The group will serve the community on Christmas by providing a food box.
And people would come in, sign up for a Christmas box. We'll provide them with food and toiletries as well as a meat voucher to Ron's Supermarket. And they will come pick it up mid-December and have the 3 meals for the day of Christmas.
Pastor Cho of the United Methodist Church says the partnership also lets them practice what love is about in their lives.
We want to practice what love is about in our real life. So love is more than just feeling. So we just want to follow and practice what love is about in our real life. So that's why we started this mission.
With the new partnership, they hope to reach 400 families with the Christmas boxes. Reporting in Pittsburgh, Shagun Bamadella, KOIM News.
The Community Health Center of Southeast Kansas is the largest not-for-profit federally qualified health center in all of Kansas.